Hello guys, and welcome to Matt's Beamer. This is just a super quick video showing you how to reset the service lights on your BMW F20 F21 1 Series. The oil change video is just being edited. Subscribe and hit the bell to get more BMW 1 Series DIY videos. First of all, after doing your service, get behind the wheel. Press the ignition switch with your foot off the brake. I couldn't do my oil service sooner due to the snow and cold weather conditions. It's another reason I haven't driven my car for a long time. Next, hold the button on the left for about 10 seconds. This will bring you onto the service reset screen. I will be making a video on changing the brake fluid very soon. Now, press the button on the left again to go through the service screen. You can reset the brake fluid, the engine oil, the front brakes, the vehicle inspection and the rear brakes. As I have just swapped the oil over, I will go to the oil can light. It will say, reset possible. You can't reset the light before it's time. When you are on your desired screen, hold down that button again. It will say, perform reset. If you want to confirm it, you need to press down the button again until it says, reset in progress. When it's all done, the oil can will turn green. The new service mileage plus date will appear. I would change way before the computer tells me to, but I can't reset the computer until it lets me. Nice one, you've reset your service lights. Please subscribe for more in-depth tours along with more BMW 1 Series videos. Thank you and take care.